All right, welcome back, money makers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, we stay making you make money. Today is an app called Funko, Fingo. And basically, what it is, it's an app that allows you to talk to different people for a certain amount of minutes, and you get paid. So you get paid like $20 per hour. So I'm gonna explain a little bit how it works here. So what is Fungal? Fungal is a voice recording app where people can talk to for friends and they can earn from their conversations. And I can even show you payment proof that I'm going to pop up on the screen here. So your time matters, and Fungal helps you benefit from it. Currently, AI is trained off of unconsented data with no records going back to the users, and we want to change that and start making you earn. So basically, what it's doing is going to record your conversations that you're talking to your different friends with, and basically, you're going to earn how much ever. So like the cap is $20 an hour, but again, that could vary from country to country. I'm going to pop up payment proof again to show you exactly, how much I have earned. I have earned $100 with this app because I made about 5 calls throughout the 2 weeks, and it has to be approved. Now, this is the thing that a lot of people don't tell you about this app. Fluffle, and the thing that they don't tell you about the app is basically you not going to get paid for every call. So basically, how it works is it's going to monitor each call and it's going to approve whether each call gets an earning on it. So after you get the call, it's going to say like pending, and then after they review it and approve it, it's going to say completed, and then it'll earn and then it'll update in your wallet. And I'm going to show you how go through the app, the sign up process, and all of that. So you'll be aware of that. Um, I really want you to get the hang of it. And you can download the app here. Um, it's on the Google Play Store, or you can do it on the Apple Play Store. And so you're going to do is you're going to click install. Obviously, I already have it installed on my phone, so I don't have to do it. But it's going to install it, and it's going to ask you which one, obviously, and you're just going to go ahead and click install, and it's going to take you through all of the information that you kind of need to know about this. And I'll further explain here what it is. So um, I hope this was very helpful. Um, you get a little bit of information about how the design looks, how to grow your balance, and you have to consistently be making calls on it throughout the days, like Monday through Friday, as much as you can. So you're not just sitting around waiting for it to be approved, and then once all of it be approved, it'll go directly into your earnings tab, and you'll see this is exactly how the earnings tab look there. So that is all I have to say. Let me know. And I'm also going to leave my referral link so you can be able to call me if you don't have any friends. DSeals31 is my username. And I'll leave all of the information in the link in the description. And you have a great day. Bye now.